How to report bugs in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate on your computer and try to reproduce the bug you want to report. This step helps you clearly identify what's going wrong and when it happens. If possible, take note of any error messages, behaviors, or actions that lead to the issue. Next, click on the Help menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Submit Product Feedback or Report a Problem, depending on the version you are using. This will open a feedback form in your browser. Then, fill out the form with a clear and detailed description of the problem. Mention the steps you took before the issue occurred, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and resolve the issue. After that, attach any relevant files if needed. This could include screenshots, error logs, or short screen recordings that show the bug in action. These attachments are incredibly helpful for debugging. Finally, make sure your email address is correct before submitting the report. This allows the support team to contact you if they need more information or want to confirm the fix. Once everything is filled out, click Submit and your report will be sent directly to TechSmith's team. And that's it. Now you know how to report bugs in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.